So changing your furnace is a big part in making sure that your furnace is running efficiently and that it's not going to cause any damage to the inside. So the first thing you do when you're looking at your furnace and you need to replace your furnace filter is find out where the cold air is coming in at. So the cold air on this furnace is coming in here, it goes through, the furnace filter is located right here, and it goes up to the heat pump. So you might find that yours is on this side going up and down, you might find that yours is vertical, you might find that yours is in the actual furnace itself, but wherever it is, you want to remove the cover. You want to remove the old furnace filter, and then what you want to do is when you look at your new filter, you want to find the arrow. On every furnace filter that we send to you each month, you're going to find an arrow pointing in this direction. You want that to make sure that that arrow is following the path of the air here, so that the cold air comes into the furnace, it gets filtered through the filter here, and then clean air is going into the heat pump. So that way you know that any debris or dust is going to get purified from the air that's getting put back into your house, and you'll even save about 15% on your heat utilities every month. So if you have any questions about how to replace your furnace filter, or if you're unable to replace the furnace in your property, let your property manager know and we'll get that taken care of for you. Thank you.